R Programming for Beginners, Correlation Analysis. Step-by-step guide for beginners. Open R software and enter data. For running correlation analysis, you have to write commands to get value of correlation between X and Y, or correlation between Y and X, or correlation between X and Y by specifying method. Not last but least, you will also run correlation test command based on Pearson's product moment correlation, also calculating t-test with 2 degrees of freedom. Results of correlation analysis in R software. Here you can see after entering respective commands of correlation, we get correlation between X and Y is 0.950144. Correlation between Y and X is 0.950144. Correlation between X and Y based on specify 3 methods is 0.950144. In last command of correlation test command based on Pearson's product moment correlation, also calculating t-test with 2 degrees of freedom gives t-test value of 6.7279 with 10 degrees of freedom, and p-value is very negligible, mean 0.0000, and significant at 1%, 5% and 10% level of significance. Thus, we will reject H not favor of H1 and concludes that true correlation is not equal to 0. 95% confidence interval give lower bound value of 0.6889417 and upper bound value of 0.9733622. In end of correlation test command also compute correlation between X and Y, which is 0.950144. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.